The 2026 Peugeot 3008 SUV marks a bold step forward in the brand's evolution, combining cutting-edge design with advanced technology and practical performance. Peugeot has clearly aimed to position this model as a strong contender in the competitive compact SUV market, and at first glance, it looks like they've succeeded. Visually, the 2026 3008 is a head-turner. It showcases Peugeot's new design language with a more angular and aggressive front end, featuring a frameless grille, sleek LED matrix headlights, and the iconic triple claw light signature. The profile is dynamic, with a floating roof effect, hidden rear door handles, and sculpted lines that give it a sporty edge. At the back, the full-width LED taillights and a subtle roof spoiler complete the modern look. It's not just about aesthetics, it's aerodynamic too, which improves efficiency. Inside, Peugeot continues to impress with the next-generation i-Cockpit. The compact steering wheel and high-mounted 21-inch panoramic digital display deliver a futuristic feel. The driver-centric layout is designed for minimal distraction, and tactile controls, including customizable touch-sensitive eye-toggles, add both style and convenience. High-quality materials, ambient lighting, and an emphasis on sustainable finishes make the cabin feel premium yet eco-conscious. Under the hood, the 2026 3008 comes with multiple powertrain options. Buyers can choose between a mild hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and most notably a fully electric version built on the new STLA Medium platform. The electric variant delivers up to 700 kilometers of range on a single charge, thanks to a 98 kilowatt-hour battery, and supports fast charging that can recover 100 kilometers of range in about 10 minutes. Performance-wise, it's responsive and composed, with torque delivery that makes overtaking smooth and effortless, while still maintaining a quiet and refined ride. For those who lean toward hybrids, the plug-in version offers strong acceleration with dual motors providing all-wheel drive, while still allowing for electric-only urban driving for shorter commutes. The handling is nimble for an SUV, thanks to the low center of gravity and well-tuned suspension, making it enjoyable on winding roads without sacrificing comfort. Technology is another standout. The 3008 features Level 2 semi-autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control with lane centering, and a smart navigation system that can plan charging stops in real time. Peugeot's new infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a voice assistant that feels natural and responsive. Storage and practicality remain key strengths. The rear seats fold flat for ample cargo space, and clever storage solutions throughout the cabin make it family-friendly. Peugeot also focused on sustainability, using recycled materials in the construction and offering options for vegan upholstery. Where the 2026 Peugeot 3008 really shines is in its balance. It brings a futuristic and upscale design without feeling too alien or impractical. It's efficient but still engaging to drive. And it packs tech-forward features without overwhelming the driver with complexity. For anyone looking at a stylish, sustainable, and smart compact SUV, the new 3008 is not just a competitor, it's a leader.